This is not an RV. It's not a camper. It's not a van. This is a multi-million-dollar mansion on wheels. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach Super Suite isn't built for travel. It's built for people who refuse to choose between freedom and luxury. And once you step inside, you'll understand why some call this the most luxurious motorhome on earth. For decades, Prevost has been the name behind celebrity tour buses, elite executive coaches, and the world's most expensive motorhomes. But the Super Suite takes things to another level. This isn't just transportation. This is five-star living, anywhere. Mountains, deserts, coastlines, highways. Wherever it stops, it becomes home. The first thing you notice is the presence. It doesn't shout. It commands attention quietly. Sleek paint finishes that look like liquid metal, polished chrome accents, massive panoramic windows. This motorhome doesn't look bulky. It looks intentional, more like a private jet that decided to drive. And when it pulls into a location, people stop. Phones come out. Conversations start. Because this isn't something you see every day. Now imagine opening the door. The outside world fades. The air changes. The sound disappears. The lighting wraps around you. You're no longer stepping into a vehicle. You're stepping into a luxury residence. Solid flooring beneath your feet. Soft ambient lighting along the ceiling. Materials that feel handcrafted, because they are. Nothing rattles. Nothing feels temporary. Everything feels permanent. This is where most people forget they're inside a motorhome. A full-size luxury sofa, reclining captain chairs, a massive ultra-thin display that rises from cabinetry, surround sound built into the walls, hidden speakers, clean design lines. You don't sit here because you have to. You sit here because you want to. Movie nights feel like private cinema nights. Daytime feels like a penthouse lounge. And thanks to massive slide-outs, the space opens wider than most apartments. This is not an RV kitchen. This is a chef-ready galley. Full-size refrigerator. Induction cooktop. Stone countertops. Custom cabinetry. Soft close drawers glide silently. Hidden pantry storage appears with a gentle push. You can cook real meals here. Not microwave dinners. Not compromises. Owners often say they cook more on the road than they ever did at home. Because space invites it. Now we step into the Super Suite. And this is where luxury becomes undeniable. A true residential king-size bed. Hotel-grade linens. Walk-around space on both sides. No climbing. No squeezing. No compromise. Overhead lighting feels warm and balanced. Closets are full height. Drawers are deep and silent. You don't sleep in an RV. You sleep in a luxury bedroom that just happens to move. Then comes the bathroom, and it feels more like a boutique hotel spa than a motorhome. A full glass shower enclosure. Rainfall shower head. Stone finishes. Heated flooring. There's space to breathe, space to move, space to relax. It's the kind of bathroom that makes you forget you're not connected to city plumbing, because the onboard water and filtration systems are massive. But the real magic is what you don't see. Beneath the floors live enormous lithium battery banks, solar integration, backup generators, advanced climate control. This coach can operate off-grid for days. Air conditioning, heating, appliances, internet, all without plugging in. This isn't camping. This is independence. Let's be honest. This isn't for everyone. This is for people who already solved the money question. People who value time, privacy, and control. People who don't ask, how much does it cost? They ask, does this give me the life I want? Imagine this. You fall asleep in Nevada. You wake up in Colorado. You open the blinds, and mountains greet you. No checkout time, no packing, no airport lines. Just movement. Just a choice. At this level, luxury isn't about stuff. It's about options. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most luxurious motorhomes, subscribe for more. And tell me in the comments, would you live full-time in a mansion on wheels like this? Because for some people, this isn't a dream. It's just Tuesday. Oncoming bus sparkles.